Centr by Chris Hemsworth Premium Fitness App Pricing. Explain what you get for your money. Centr Premium costs about $99 per month or $99 annually. Most people assume it's just another workout app, but the surprising truth is that Centr combines fitness, nutrition, and mindfulness into one fully integrated wellness platform. With Centr Premium, you get access to a wide variety of workouts led by professional trainers, including height, strength yoga, and boxing. The app adapts to your experience level, whether you're a beginner or an advanced athlete. You also receive guided meditations and mindfulness sessions designed to reduce stress and improve mental clarity. The app's nutrition plan offers personalized meal guides, shopping lists, and recipes that align with your fitness goals. Centr even includes specialized plans for plant-based diets, low-carb eating, and muscle-building nutrition. Each week, new workouts, meal plans, and mindfulness content are added, keeping your routine fresh and motivating. For your money, you get more than just workouts. You get a complete lifestyle program curated by Chris Hemsworth and his team. The app is easy to navigate, and syncing your data allows you to track progress, set goals, and see tangible results over time. In conclusion, Centr Premium offers excellent value for anyone looking to improve fitness, nutrition, and mental wellness in one app. Its holistic approach, professional guidance, and constantly updated content make it a smart investment for long-term health and well-being.